Hello friends, this is actually the question paper of 10th class which has just been given last week only. Why I had written all the numbers, all the question, you have to find out the error in this. In our class today we have students from class 5th, we have students from class 8th, and this is a test for them, how much can they answer. So I'll just read it out for you once. You have to find out the errors, like if you has a credit card, you'll have to find out the error in this. Error means, students, error means हो सकता है कहीं पे preposition गलत हो सकता है कहीं पे helping verb गलत हो. That is what you have to find it out. Okay. So if you has a credit card, number 2, you can bought train tickets. Number 3, in just punching a few numbers. Number 4, from a landline but mobile phone. Number 5, online ticketing have been very successful between the young people. So in this, you have to find out where there is an error of preposition, where there is an error of a helping verb, and you will have to identify it. Okay? So let's start again. If you has a credit card.
If you have a credit card.
Correct. If you have a credit card, because with you we treat as plural. Then you can bought train tickets.
You can buy train tickets.
Correct. You can buy train tickets. In just punching a few numbers.
In just punching the few numbers.
No, that's not correct. I'll tell you the answer later. Number 4, from a landline but mobile phone.
From a landline or mobile phone.
Okay, there can be one more answer. Alright, number 5, online ticketing have been very successful between the young people.
Online ticketing has been very successful between the young people.
Okay, again, one is correct, one is incorrect. Okay, I'll tell you the correct answer. Very nice, very good. So now we'll see if Nitika is able to answer the questions or not. Okay, Nitika, so the first is, if you has a credit card, can you find out what is the error in that?
If you have a credit card.
Excellent. If you have a credit card, because with you we always use as plural. From class 8, she has solved the question of class 10. Very good, Nitika. Okay. So number 2 is, you can bought train tickets.
You can buy train tickets.
Correct. You can buy train tickets, because if it is in a simple sentence, in present tense, you cannot have past tense in that, the verb of past tense. Okay. All right. So number 3 is, in just punching a few numbers.
They're just punching a few numbers.
That's incorrect, Ritika. I'll tell you later. Okay? Alright, so you got one wrong. Number 4 is, from a landline but mobile phone.
From a landline or mobile phone.
Alright, so from a landline or mobile phone. This is correct. It could have one more answer also, but this is also correct. Alright, number 5th is, online ticketing have been very successful between the young people.
Online ticketing has been very successful among the people, young people.
It is again, I repeat, it is a question paper of 10th class, so definitely we are not expecting these students to solve it because they are in 8th class. But still, as we have covered it in the class, the chapters, so they have answered many of the questions correctly as Nitika has just come. So let's see if Anula can answer, how many she can answer. Anula, the number 1 is, if you has a credit card.
If you have a credit card.
Correct, because with you we always use as, we treat as plural, we have studied this. Okay. You can bought train tickets.
You can buy train tickets.
Correct. You can buy train tickets. मतलब आप train tickets खरीद सकते हैं. Alright. Number 3 is, in just punching a few numbers.
In just punching a few numbers.
No, that's not correct. Alright. I'll tell you later. Number 4 is, from a landline but mobile phone.
From a landline with mobile phone.
No, that's also not correct. Okay. Number 5th is, online ticketing have been very successful between the young people.
Online ticketing has been very successful between the young people.
One is correct, but the other one is incorrect. Okay, so if it is a question of 2 marks, you'll get 1 mark. Okay.